Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share even as you watch. Thank you very much. So today we're going to be looking at how to make this circle pattern, create the circle pattern out of this outfit. So we're going to start. Now we're going to start. We're going to make two circles, and we need the small circle, we need the bigger circle, and we need the in between. So let us start. So the small circle, we're going to be using a circle of 8 inches circumference. So that is, I folded the brown paper into 4 right now. So I'm now marking 4 by 4 round. So that is what will give an 8-inch circumference. So we cut. So you can see our circle, right? So this is the smaller circle. So now we want to make the bigger circle. So the bigger circle, we're going to increase it by 3 inches. So that means the bigger circle is going to be a 7 by 7 circumference. So we fold. Into 4 as usual. Okay. So okay, right. So now we're going to mark our 7 by 7. So the second circle is going to be 7 by 7. You know, the first one was 4 by 4. The second one is going to be 7 by 7. So now that you've marked your 7 by 7, so this is the bigger circle. Now what we are concerned about, let me first cut it. So this is the bigger circle. So what we are concerned about is how to get the in between, right? So now why I made the bigger circle 3 inches bigger is because if you look at that circle pattern, you would notice that the circle pattern is about 2 inches wide. Now why I made it 3 inches wider is because, of course, we would need half inch for turning the two the inside and the outside. So that's 1 inch. So plus the 2 inches width, so that's 3 inches. So now we're going to be marking our inner circle. then we cut. So here goes. So this is our, so this circle, we're going to be using this one to mark the holes on the dress, or on the dress. Then we're going to be using this one to mark the colored fabrics that we're going to add to the dress. So let's continue. You can push. Cool. Okay, so we are cutting the colored fabrics now. I'm adding, I noticed that this 3 inches is actually not enough, so I'm adding an extra ½ inch to the circle, so to the outer part, right? Take notes, please. So that's a total of 3½ inches. So this is how it looks now. So we're going to cut this pattern on all the other colors. Then we would use paper stay. We will stay it with paper stay, and we would let you know. We would let you know how it goes as we are sewing. So I'm marking the circles. You can see that we have arranged the circles on. We've arranged the circles on the dress. So I'm now marking. We have arranged all the circles on the dress how it's supposed to be. So I'm now drawing the circles so that we don't make mistakes. I'm now chalking it. Okay, I had to bring it outside to spread it so that I get the actual thing I'm looking for. Okay, so we've gotten all our circles now. So we're going to now turn the circles with this fabric, then we will show you the end result. So guys, this is how it turned out. So we sewed the circles from the back to the front and top stitch in the front. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you some other time. I hope you'll try yours. Bye.